How to mute someone on their Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply mute someone on their Instagram in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing what you have to do is follow these simple steps. So first of all, Instagram application. Eventually, when you'll go to the home, go into any of the pages you want to follow. So for example, this is the page I'm following right now. So just to mute this page or this account, what you have to do is go into the followings, that is just beside the message bar or the button. So once you tap on it, a new dialog box appears. In this dialog box, you have to look for the option mute, that is at the number second. So once you tap on it, a new dialog box appears or states posts and stories. You just have to turn in, and then that gray color button would go over to the blue one. When it does so, it means you have turned on the mute settings for the posts and stories. From now onwards, you won't be able to see their posts and their stories. So this is how you mute someone or some account on Instagram. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.